Students, welcome back to the channel. Get understanding. Don't memorize. Yes, so this is the channel. Take a look at the channel. Yes, this is the channel on YouTube. Yes, so the name of the channel is Get Understanding, and then you have lessons on relative mathematics, that is, or further mathematics, and you have core mathematics or mathematics. So that is it. This is the channel. So if you visit the channel, that's what you see. So we look at so further mathematics and WASSCE core mathematics or general mathematics. So if you visit the channel and if you're on the you click on the playlist tab, this is what we see. So as we said, the channel itself is unique in the sense that all the topics are neatly organized. So if this is, for example, this is regular polygons for mathematics made up of 4 videos, and then so we have apart from so after looking at the topic or treating the topic, you also look at solve final WASSCE exams. So solve final WASSCE exams. So this is solve final WASSCE exams. That is also sort made up of 6 videos. So you have sets as you have DSS sets. You have sets. You have core mathematics sets in core mathematics, and then have sets in elective mathematics. So this is the general topic of sets core mathematics. Set topic of sets in core mathematics, and have the topic of what sets in elective mathematics is made up of 15 videos, and core mathematics the sets in core mathematics also has 15 videos. So after looking at the topic, then we come to solve final WASSCE exam questions. So solve final WASSCE exam questions sets. This is what core mathematics. All the core mathematics has what 3 videos, and this is what elective or further mathematics. That one also has what 4 videos. Okay, so in fact that's what makes the channel unique. You see, yes, and this one is secret of scoring 100% in your final exams. Grade A is a must. Well, a must. This is for first students, Form 1 students, SS, senior high school, for Form 1 senior high school students in Form 1. This is for you, yeah. And then you also have binary operation. Binary operation, this is the elective mathematics, further mathematics, binary operation. You see, this one has what a videos. This is the topic itself. These videos look, look at the topic of binary operation, and this video have 6 videos looks at solve final WASSCE exam questions on binary operation. Yes, so this is the topic of what circle theorem. Circle theorem. It has what 14 videos. So after the topic, we come to the hot solve final WASSCE exam question. This also has what 4 videos. So guys, you see how unique the channel is. So whatever topic that is treated, you look at the topic, and then we also include playlist on the same topic, which is made up of solve fun WASSCE exam questions. So yes, look at this is what made the channel unique. So you have the topic, you look at the topic, and then you look at solve fun WASSCE exam questions. So every topic is accompanied by is what solve fun WASSCE exam. So to look at this guys. So let us continue. So guys, you see how the channel is basically nicely organized to make things easier for you. So you can just click whatever uh, topic that you want to learn. Then you can choose to look at the software now. What's the exam questions or the topic itself. So in fact, you are free to choose whatever you want. Yes, guys. So let us look at guys the information, additional information on the channel. Yes. So as we said, this is the name of the channel. You go to the channel, you have core mathematics lessons in core mathematics, general mathematics, and lessons in relative mathematics or further mathematics. And after that, we have what's the final exam questions. Yes. So those questions are the practice questions, and then you go to the name is for get understanding, and then if this is the WhatsApp line. If you have any question or whatever, you can contact us on this line, WhatsApp, and then this is the email to get understanding. So guys, after you have watched this video, if you find it understandable and interesting as the name of the channel implies, if you really get understanding, then what you want to do is to subscribe, like, and share. Guys, thank you. So let us look at we are looking at tracer programs as I said. So guys, let us move on without delay and look at the topic of what we are going to solve a question. We're going to solve a question on what three-set program, guys. So let's continue. So, guys, this is the question. This is the three-set program question. So, this is one of my students. One of my students was subscribers. In fact, brought this question that I should solve the question for her. Yes. So, but let us read the question. It says what in a class of 100 students. So, we have what, how many students? 100 in a class. 40 offer biology and 10 offer chemistry and biology. Okay, so it says read the question very well. Say what 40 offer biology and 10 offer chemistry and biology. Say 10 offer physics and chemistry. 10 offer physics and what? And chemistry. Okay. Yeah. And he says what? And 30 offer physics and biology. Each student offers at least one of the three subjects. Take notes. These are the things you have to know, you have to understand. Each student offers at least one of the three subjects. So if each student offers at least one of the three subjects, it means that there is any student who does not offer any subject. There is any student who does not offer any subject. So if you draw, let's say, a three-set program like this, if you draw the Venn diagram, you have let's say if this is chemistry, and you have biology, and you have what physics. So yes, so this is chemistry, biology, and physics. Yes, you see that at least each student offers, say that each student offers at least one of the three subjects. So which means that each student, there are no students who, so the students outside here in this region, these are students who do not offer any of the three subjects. So if there is any student who does not offer any of the three subjects, then that student will be in this region, will not be any part of this one, of the sets here. So that is, this region is called, this is the number of students who do not offer any of the three subjects. So it's what? It's chemistry union, biology union, physics, or complement. So this is what it means, the number of students who do not offer any. So if since we are told that each student offers at least one of the three subjects, then it means that this is what, this is zero. So in other words, the set chemistry union, biology union, physics, all complement. This will give you a null set. Okay, this is a null set. So if you the number, this is the number we are counting. So that one you get what you get. Let you know that one. Yeah, not know that one very well. Say the number of students who offer biology is equal to those who offer physics only, and the sum of the number of students who offer biology and those who offer chemistry is equal to. Okay, so let us read this uh this portion very well. It says what the number of students who offer biology is equal to those who offer physics only. Yes, yes. So you say that the number of students who offer biology is equal to those who offer physics only. And then he says, well, this is one statement, guys, and he said that and the sum of the number of students who offer biology and those who offer chemistry is equal to the number of students who offer physics. So let us try to write the mathematical as I've written here. So we want to say the number of students who offer biology. So if you say this is biology. So if you want to the number of students who offer biology, this is how it is written. So you see the number of students who offer biology is equal to what? Is equal number of students who offer biology is equal to those who offer physics only. Go to those who offer physics only. So those who offer physics only, this is the region. Those who offer physics only, this is it. So that one is written as number of those who offer physics in intersection, chemistry, complement, intersection, biology, complement. That's how. So we say that this is equal to this. And then you also say that the sum of the number of students who offer biology and those who okay, let me come back. Say the number of students who offer biology is equal to those who offer physics only. Yes. So here. Let us sign here. And you see that, and the sum of the number of students who offer biology. So number of students who offer biology is the number of students who offer biology. Also, and those who offer chemistry. So plus if you sum the number of those who offer chemistry is equal to the number of students who offer physics. So equals to the number of students who offer physics. Everything. Right. Yeah. So let us look at this one very well. These two equations very very important. Fine. Um. Oh, okay. Yes. So that is it. It is what and sum of the number of students who offer biology and those who offer chemistry is equal to the number of students who offer physics. Yes. So that's why say illustrate the information on the Venn diagram. You find the number of students who offer chemistry only, and I chemistry only, I only two subjects, I only one subject, I B physics, V chemistry, V I chemistry and physics only. Yeah, so guys. So let us look at the question. So before you can understand this, I want to give you understand that I'm not treating the topic of research here, but this is the question somebody has brought. So I have to give you, some key explanation that will let you understand this topic or this question. Very, simple. It's not difficult at all, guys. So let's look at this. So let's look at this, guys. Okay, guys. So let's look at this. So let me use this to explain to you. Have you seen? Okay. So we have this is the universal set. The universal set. This is rectangle represent the universal set U. And the universal set made up of those who offer this is chemistry. Let's see the chemistry and this B. That's the number of students who offer chemistry. This is it. This is it. That this represented by this circle. The number of students who offer biology is also what represented by this circle. Number of students who offer physics is represented by this circle. So guys, what you have to know is that this key thing that the question talks about. You say that the number of students who offer only physics. Number of students who offer only physics. Know that only physics means only physics. This is those who offer only physics. Physics alone is the one. Reason only physics, which is written a number of physics intersection, chemistry complement intersection what? Intersection biology complement. This is what you mean. This is what one. And the number of in the same way, number of students who offer biology alone, that one it will be B intersection what? C complement intersection P complement. That one is what? Is also 6. Have you seen? So 6. The number of students who offer chemistry alone, which is the number of that one number of what? C intersection P complement intersection what? Intersection B complement. That one is what 2. So this the two students here they offer only chemistry. 6 students offer only biology, and 1 student offer only physics. So the question can ask you find the number of students who offer only one subject. So the one who those who offer chemistry only they are offering only one subject. Those who offer biology only are also offering one subject. Those who offer physics only are also offering one subject. So if you want the number of students, if the question says the number of students who offer chemistry only, you know that this is 2. The answer is 2. The question says the number of students who offer biology only, you know that is 6. If the question says the number of students who offer physics only, you know that is 1. How about if the question says that the number of students who offer one subject, or you can say one subject or only one subject, the same thing, or that one is only one. So in that case, it's going to be what you have to sum. This is one subject, number of students who offer only one subject is made up of only physics, only biology, and only what? Only chemistry. So number of students who offer only one subject will be 2 plus 1 plus 6. Number of students who offer only one subject, only one subject. Okay. So we got what? 2 plus 1 plus 6, which is what? Which is 9. 9 students offer only one subject. And guys, we can see that no more students offer three subjects. You know, three subjects. That's 3 subjects. No more students who offer only 3 subjects is what? 2. Very simple. Everything. And then here, there's no student who does not offer any subject. That's why you see each student offers at least one of the 3 subjects. The moment you hear that in the question, it means that there's no student who is outside here. So this one, which is the number of students who does not offer anything, that one will be 0. If it is not 0, the question will tell you. Okay? Yes. So and the next thing is that we can see that number of students who offer 2 subjects. Guys, this is very, if you don't, you have to understand. That's why I say get understand. Number of students who offer only 2 subjects. So guys, what does it mean? You know that 2 subjects is made up of, for example, the number of students who offer, let's say, chemistry and biology. Yes, chemistry and biology. So how many students offer chemistry and biology? The number of students who offer chemistry and biology. So students, number of students, number of students, right? Students who offer uh, chemistry, and what? And biology, bio, no, biology. That's what we are talking about. So guys, the number of students who offer chemistry and biology is made up of a 2 is equal to us have to be 3 plus 2. Which is made up of students who offer chemistry and biology only. This is the chemistry and biology only, and those who offer chemistry and biology and offer physics in addition. So this is very interesting if you do understand this. So those who offer chemistry and biology, this is it. Why the question says chemistry and biology, chemistry and biology, chemistry and what? And biology only. Biology only. If it's only that one, it means that this is what we are, the question is talking about is what? It's 3. But if you say chemistry and biology, it means that those who offer, you have those who offer chemistry and biology only, and those who offer chemistry and biology and offer physics in addition. Everything, guys. And so that is it. So if the question can also the same way the question says that those who offer chemistry and physics only, in this one is 4. Chemistry and physics only. But if the question says that chemistry and physics, then you have those who offer chemistry and physics only, and those who offer chemistry and physics in addition to biology. So in this case, chemistry and physics only is 4. Chemistry and physics will be 4 plus 2, which is 6. And then in the same way, those who offer physics and biology only will be 5. Physics and biology only is 5. But if the physics and biology will be 2 plus 5. Guys, I hope you understand. Yes, because if we suppose your head must have books, chemistry, biology, and physics, and then he comes that they bring only chemistry and biology books, and he said that they are distributing. Are you sure that those who offer all the 3 subjects will not go for? We are saying that we are supposed to distribute chemistry books, physics book, and biology books to students, but now we have only uh, chemistry and physics books available. So does it mean that those who offer uh, chemistry and biology in addition to physics will not go for the books? They will go for the books. And if physics they bring in the physics books, they will go for it. But those who offer chemistry and physics only after they have gone for the 2 textbooks, if they bring the physics, they will not go for the physics because they don't offer physics. Yeah, guys, I hope you are trying to understand the explanation. This is in fact interesting and very understandable and simple. If you don't know these tricks, you find always be find it difficult to solve questions, guys. Just look at that is it. So yes, if the question says that the number of students who offer biology and physics only is 5. But the number of students who offer biology and physics will be 2 plus 5, which is what? 7. So in the same way, the question can say that. So if the question says that number of students, students, students who offer, we have offer A only two subjects. Can say only 2 subjects, and then B can just say 2 subjects. Have you seen, guys? Yes, 2 subjects. So if the question says that only 2 subjects, so only 2 subjects mean those who offer chemistry and physics only, which is 3, and those who offer chemistry and physics, only 2 subjects mean those who offer chemistry and biology only, which is 3, and those who offer chemistry and physics only, which is 4, and those who offer biology and physics only, which is what? 5. So only 2 subjects will be what? This one will be 2, sorry, it will be, sorry guys, this one will be what? It will be 3, this 3, 3 plus this 4 plus what? Plus 5. Amazing. So 7 plus which will give you what? 12. Amazing. But if the question says that only 2 subjects, so only 2 subjects, it means that those who also offer only this chemistry and biology is made up of those who offer chemistry only and these 2 offer all the 3, and those who offer chemistry and physics is made up of those who offer chemistry and physics only, and those who offer chemistry and physics in addition to the biology, which is D2. And those who offer biology and physics is made up of those who offer biology and physics only, which is 5. In addition to these two, who offer biology and physics in addition to chemistry. So if the question says that you want two subjects without adding the word only, by just saying that number of students who offer two subjects, in that case, it will be this 3 only, that is the chemistry and physics and biology only plus 4, which is the chemistry and physics only plus the 5, which is the biology and physics only plus the 2, those who offer all the 3 subjects. Right? So you see, in that case, you're going to what? This is 7 plus 7. So it will give us what? 14, guys. So obviously, it's very interesting, guys. If you go with this and then, in fact, the question will be simple for you. So you that how many students do you have? The number of students who offer chemistry will be 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. Have you seen? So this is 6 plus what? 5. This one is 11. Have you seen? The number of students who offer biology will be what? This is 5 plus what? 5 plus 6 is 11. Then plus 3. This one will give what? 14. The number of students who offer physics will be this, the physics. That's yes, this is the physics. That's why we counted like that. So this is 1 plus 4, which is 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2. This is what? 12, guys. That's what we have. Everything. And then if you want to find the universal set, you have to sum all this. Everything. So you can find, if you find this one, this is let's say this is 12. Everything. This is 12. This one is 12. Then 12 plus 12 plus 2, you get what? 14. Then 14 plus 3, you get what? 17. 17 plus 3, you get what? 20, 23. So it means that the universal set will what? 23. This is the universal set. Everything, guys. Always one thing you also know that if you add this chemistry, biology, and the physics, it will always be more than the universal set. And that one you get confused. Yes, that's how it is. But you know that 11 plus 14 plus 12 will be more than this. Yes, guys. So you have to also know that. So, that guys, having explained it to you, let us look at the question, and then try to solve the question itself. That hello, students. Yeah, it's also important to know this that so this is the number of students who offer chemistry and biology only is what it says. So instead of saying that the number of students who offer chemistry and biology only, it means it is the same as the number of students who offer chemistry and biology but not physics. So the number of students who offer chemistry and biology only is the same as the number of students who offer chemistry and biology but not physics. In the same way, the number of students who offer chemistry and physics, which is 4 in this case, the same as saying that the number of students who offer chemistry and physics but not biology, yes. And then we also have this, if you say the number of students who offer biology and physics only, you know that number of students who offer biology and physics only is what? It's 5. Number of students who offer biology and physics only is 5. So the same as saying that the number of students who offer biology and physics but not chemistry. So yes, so we have to know this very well. These are the key terms that will be mentioned in the question. So if you hear that the number of students who offer chemistry and biology only, it is the same as the number of students who offer chemistry and biology but not physics. Yes, you have to note that very very well. The same way if you say the number of students who offer, you can say the number of students who offer chemistry only. You know that from here, from this diagram, number of students who offer chemistry only is what is 2. So instead of saying that number of students who offer chemistry only, the question can say that the number of students who offer chemistry but not physics and biology. So the number of students who offer chemistry only is the same as what? The number of students who offer biology, who offer chemistry but not biology and physics. You have to know that very well. Yes, so in the same way, you can say that if you want the number of students who offer biology only, that is what? 6. So instead of saying the number of students who offer biology only, you can say the number of students who offer biology but not chemistry and physics. Yes, and the number of students who offer physics only is also what? 1. So in the same way, you can see in the question, instead of saying that the number of students who offer physics only, the question can say that the number of students who offer physics but not chemistry and biology. Number of students who offer physics but not chemistry and biology, which means that but not this is chemistry, this is biology. So number of students who offer chemistry who offer physics but not chemistry, which means that all this, the whole of this circle, which is for chemistry, and the whole of this is for biology, are what excluded. So guys, it's very important to know this, to note this very well. These are the key terms that will be mentioned in the question. Okay. Yes, and one thing is that after you have solved the whole thing, if you add the whole thing, the union, and then what is outside the union, you have to get the universal set. So if you add all the figures in the Venn diagram, if you add them, so this 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1, and plus this side, if there's any student who does not offer any subject, if you add all of them, you have to get what this 23. So guys, you have to know that one is very, very important. Thank you guys for watching, and if you really get to understand, don't forget to subscribe, share. So guys, we are told that in the class we have 100 students, so that means that the universal set is what? The universal set is 100, guys. So the universal set is 100, so it means that n of what? U, n of U, the universal set is what? Is equal to 100. Number of students in the class is 100, and then we are told that 40 offer biology. 40 offer biology. It means the number of students who offer biology, which is n of B, is equal to 40. As we also told that 10 offer chemistry and physics. 10 offer physics and chemistry. Everything. You see 10 offer chemistry and biology. Sorry. The first one is what? 10 offer chemistry and biology. Chemistry and biology, guys. Say that 10 offer chemistry and biology. So guys, chemistry and biology, this is 10. Chemistry and what? And biology, 10. And then guys, we are told that 10 also offer physics and chemistry. 10 also offer, so number of students who offer physics, physics, physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry is 10. So physics and chemistry, interest in chemistry is equal to 10. And then we are also told that 30 offer physics and biology. So 30 offer physics and biology. So number of students who offer physics, interest in biology is equal to 30. Guys, is equal to 30. Okay. Yes. So that is what we have here, guys. Okay. So as what we do is that as we will let S be students. So let S number of students who offer all the 3 subjects. So number of students who offer all the 3 subjects, guys. Okay, 3 subjects. So which means that this one, let's say this one will be hot X, everything. This one will be S. Let's just put it here. So number of students who offer all that. So if you are this is a theory question, you have to be stating all that. In theory, you say that let you define the universal set plus number of students in the class, and you write everything. This one because you say students. This is a set, so students in class. Okay, hope you know that. And it means that I know you is this. So we have this B is a set of what? So the students who offer. So you just write students who offer biology. Include the student, mean the number of students you write that. So you define before you write in an exam, guys. Don't forget that. So we are told, let's look at this information. It says about the number of students who offer biology is 40. So this is the number of students who offer biology. So the whole of this is what 40. So guys, you can put it here. We are saying that the number of students who offer chemistry and biology. So as we said, chemistry and biology, this is what biology and chemistry. This is our now chemistry and biology. This is the whole thing. This is the intersection, chemistry and biology. But out of those who offer chemistry and biology, you have S of them who offer physics in addition. So it means that if this is those who offer physics in addition to chemistry and biology is S. Then this one will have to subtract it from the 10. Because the whole of those in this region is what is a 10. So out of the 10, some offer S is here. S of them offer physics in addition. So this has to go 10, because we have to subtract the S from it, 10 minus S. Okay, guys. Yes. And then we are also told that number of the who of physics and chemistry is also 10. So physics and chemistry, physics of what and chemistry. So these two things, what physics and chemistry, if the rest of them are offering this biology in addition, then it means that those who offer chemistry and physics only who have to be 10, they will have to subtract those who are offering physics in addition from it. Everything. So this one to be minus S. Everything, right? Yes. And then we also told that the number of students who offer physics and biology is 30. So physics and biology and physics. So physics and biology. This one. Physics and biology. So this whole thing is for 30. So it means that those who offer physics and biology is made up of those who offer physics and biology only, which is S, and those who offer those who offer physics and biology in addition to chemistry, which is S, and those who offer physics and biology only. So if you know this, then we want to find the only. Then we have those who offer physics and biology. Then it has to be 30 over 30 minus S. Everything, guys. That's what it has to be, guys. Okay, guys. So let us move on. Okay, guys. You see, so let's come and see the number of students who offer biology is equal to those who offer physics only. Guys, yes. The number of students who offer biology is equal to those who offer physics only. Yes, so guys, number of students, you say the number of students who offer biology. Listen, guys, the number of students who offer biology, number of students who offer biology is equal to number of students who offer physics only. Number of students who offer physics only. Physics intersection, chemistry complement intersection, what? Biology complement, which is those who offer what? This is the number of students who offer physics only. Don't forget that number of students who offer biology is given to be 40. So if that is the case, then this one is what? This one is 40. So number of students who offer physics only in this region. So it means that this one is what? Those who are here is what? 40. And the question has what? The question has given. Okay, guys. And you see that it also says that and what the sum of the number of students who offer biology and those who offer chemistry is equal to the number of students who offer physics. Alright, guys, yes, you see that one. Note this one very well because of space. You see what the sum of the number of students who offer biology and those who offer chemistry is equal to the number of students who offer physics. Everything, guys, we see that number of students who offer what? The sum of the number of students who offer biology. So the sum of the number of students who offer biology. This is number of students who offer biology plus number and the number of students who offer chemistry. Number of students who offer chemistry C is equal to what? Number of students who offer what? Number of students who offer physics. This is very powerful mathematical let's say if you do number of students who offer what? Physics. So this one, let us put this one here. Let's see, let's call it equation 1. This is very important equation, guys. Yes. Very important, guys. So guys, so far, so that is what we have. And then yeah, it is it also the information on the Venn diagram. Maybe you say if you find this or that. So guys, let us go straight. So guys, so this is the illustration. Guys, illustration of the working on the Venn diagram. So this is what we have illustrated on the Venn diagram. So guys, so let us continue, guys. It says if you find what? If you find like if you find, yes, let us try to show you how to find here. You find this before, guys, yeah. So what we are saying that those who guys who study biology, I mean, the number of students who study biology is 4. So it means that as we are showing you that the diagram that I showed you before, it means we add this to those who offer biology alone, we have to get 40. I mean, because of that, we can find the number of students who offer the number of students who offer uh, who offer biology alone. This one we can find. Everything. Yes, you can find this, guys. Okay, guys. So what we do that since we can find what we know this one is 40. Everything, guys, we know that this is 40, and we know, look at this of the question. We have all the number of students who offer physics, everything, each of the portion in that region. You know, you have S30, you have everything here. So that is it. So it means that we can find this one here. So from here, you can see what, guys. You can see that this is 40, 40. So this implies that that's okay. So because of space, guys, yes, I hope you understand. So you can see that from this from this one, so we want to find this number of students who study what who study chemistry. So from this equation one, you can see that implies that this one is what number of students who study biology. This is 40. You can see that 40 plus number of students who study chemistry. See, you don't know that. It's equal to number of students who study what? Number of students who study physics. So the physics, number of students who study physics is this one. Add all these things and get to is equal to what? 30 minus s plus what? 30 minus s plus s. Guys, have you seen? 30 minus s plus s plus 10 minus s. Guys, yes, plus what? Plus 40. Guys, this is what you have. So we know that this reason, guys. So we can send this 40. If we send this 40 to the other side, guys, if you send this 40, you send it to the other side. Go and cancel this 40. So we can subtract 40 from both sides. This 40 and this 40 will vanish. Everything, guys. So we can say that this implies that n of what? N of c is equals to 30. So 30 minus s plus s. So this will also vanish. Everything. So we get what? 30 plus 10 minus what? S, which is equal to what? You will get 40. 40 minus what? Minus s. Guys, so we get 40 minus. Okay, guys. So don't forget this. From here, it means that we can also what? We know this. Since we know this, we can find this one, guys. We can find this. Yes, you can find it. So this is what number of students who study biology only. So number of students who study biology only can write it as number of students who study biology only can be written as a biology, guys, intersection with chemistry complement, intersection with physics complement. This one. So this is the region alone. This region is what we are talking about. So if you add it to this one 10, have 10. If you add it to 10 minus x, then add this to this x, addition, guys, and add it to this 30, 30, guys, minus x. Guys, what do you have to get? You have to get what? You have to get this plus this plus this plus this. You have to get 40. Everything. So this one, guys, it will give us 40. Everything. Fine. So, guys, so this is 10 minus s plus s. So this one will cancel. Everything, guys. Yes. So we have what? We have, guys, this is what we have. So we have, let us continue here to ultimate that number of what? Number of this biology only as intersection chemistry component and what physics component. This number of students we study or for biology only. So you get this is 10. 10 plus 30, you get what? 40. Plus what? Plus 40. And then this is the minus s division. So minus what? Minus s will equal to what? We go to 40, guys. Division. We go to 40. Division. Yeah. 40. So what do you do? This is very simple. So this implies that number of what? Number of students who study biology only. So this is chemistry complement, intersection physics complement. So if you like and you find it, you can put a variable here, say y. We can define it to be y. So this that one will be equal to this 40, then this send everything to the right hand side. So we get 40, then minus what? Minus 40, then plus what? X. So 40 minus 40, then so we get what? X. Everything. We guess, yes. So that is it. We get, which means that this side is what? This side is yes, yes. Okay, guys. So okay, guys. Yes. So what we can do is that we can find the value of s. How do you find the value of s? You know this, guys. As this number of c. You have found the number of c here. This one, the number of students. Don't forget that number of students who offer chemistry. This is 40 minus s. This is what we have found here. Yeah, what we have found. So always you know that when we add all the everything in the this is the what do you call it? The union of all the three sets. Everything the union. This section plus all the student number of students in this in the Venn diagram that will give us the union. The union. This is the union or complement. The union complement. So if you want to find, it means that if you since you were told that each student at least each student offers one of the three subjects, means that the number of students who do not offer anything here is equal to 0. So this one is biology, union, chemistry, union, physics, all complement. This one is 0 this side. So it means that if we add all these things, we have to get the universal set, which is what 100. So we add, then we can say that if you want to add, in this effect, we are going to we add this to this, 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 all the portions or the ranges. You have to get it. So you can also say that, since that we can take this one, we add the whole of this circle. The whole of this circle must be equal to number of c, which we have found to be 40 minus s. So this number of c, you can say that the number of c, guys. So this number of c, from the Venn diagram, you can say that the number of c, if you add, if you want to add the whole thing in the union to get the universal set. So you can also, an alternative is to add, take this whole thing, which is the number of students who study or offer chemistry, then we add it to this, to this, to this, we get the same thing. The same as adding each of the numbers in the regions one by one. So to just make things quick, or quicker, you just have this whole region, then add it to this, this, and this. So that's, so you can see that means that the number of what those who offer chemistry, which is plus what, plus those who offer biology, which is s, plus 30 minus s, which is plus 40, guys, plus 40. We have to give us what? We have to give us the universal set. Which we have to give us, oh guys, this is not what this should be s. Yeah. We have to give us what? The universal set, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 100, guys. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, don't forget we have this one, 40 minus s. This is the number of c. This number of t is for 40 minus s. So you go and put it there. Don't forget we are going to the next first page. That's we have what n of c, number of students who offer chemistry, plus s plus 30 minus s plus 40 is equal to 100. Okay, guys, so let's write n of c. So we have this s, so we can write it as what? Plus what? S minus x plus what? 30 plus 40 is equal to 100, guys. So this one is 0. So we have n of c plus what? 70 is equal to 100, guys. Then also, yes, so you can see n of c. So guys, simple. So this implies that n of c equal to 100 minus 70, which is equal to 30. Yes, guys, equal to 30. But guys, don't forget that n of c is what? Is 40 minus s. N of c is n of c, which is what? 40 minus s. S is here. Don't forget, guys. Okay, so this implies that n of c, which is what? 40 minus s is equals to 30. Guys, have you seen? So we are looking for solving s. We are making s a subject. So we can say 40 minus 30 is equal to what? S. So this implies that s is equal to what? 10, guys. So s is equal to 10, guys. Yeah, s is equal to 10. So guys, now s is equal to what? S is equal to 10 now. Listen, guys. So s is equal to 10. So it means that this side is 10. Listen, that side is 10. Listen, so this one 10 minus 10 we get 0 here. And this 2 is what? 10. Listen, this one will get 20, guys. 30 minus 10 get 20. This one will get 0. So this is what? 10, guys. This is 10. Listen, yes, that's what we have, guys. Okay, so you can find this n of c. N of c is equal to 40 minus s. So this n of c, which is this 40 minus s, guys, you can find everything. So n of c, this n of c is equal to 40 minus s, which is 40 minus 10, which is equal to 30, guys, which means that this is what? This side is what? This side is 30, everything. This side is 30. So guys, yes. So if this side is 30, then we have this, which means that when we add this to this to this to this, you get what? You have to get 30. So if this side is 0, this side is 0, this one is 10. So this side has to be for 20. For that to get 30. Everything, guys? Yes. Everything. So what do you get? How do you get the number of faces? The number of p. The number of p, guys. If you are solving, you have fish, you have to write. You can be writing number of p. Then you start adding this plus. The number of p is what? 20 plus 40. Everything plus 0 plus 10. Everything. So 20 plus 10 is 30 plus 40. So you get this one with 70. Guys, everything. This is 70. Everything. So guys, you have finished everything. You are now going to the question to look at the individual, sub questions. Okay, guys, so this is simple. To really understand what you are doing, that's easy to get understand. Don't memorize, but this video has been lengthy anyway. What the question is not a small question, it's a very easy to have, can be very tough for you guys if you don't really understand. That's why the channel get understand. But if you understand, I mean, this is very simple, guys. Everything, yeah. So this is what we have gotten. So guys, so now we can go and then answer all the questions under it as we learned earlier, guys. Okay, so let us look at the questions. Guys, it says that what? Find the number of students who offer chemistry only. Number of students who offer chemistry only, guys. So the number of students who offer chemistry only, guys. Number of students who offer chemistry only. So number of students who offer chemistry only. And it's written as what? Number of students. Okay, so number of students who offer chemistry only. So you can write it in full. Because of space, I will just I will write it mathematical for number of students who offer chemistry only. Chemistry, interest, physics complement, interest what? Biology complement. That one. That's what we are supposed to find, guys. So guys, chemistry only. Everything. We have chemistry only, guys. This is chemistry. So chemistry only is what? Only chemistry. So 20, guys. Everything. Chemistry only. This one is what? 20, guys. And then the next question says that number of students we offer only 2 subjects. Yeah, everything. Everything what I was telling you. Simple to understand. I mean, as I explained to you earlier, that one is supposed to help you to understand. So only 2 subjects. Like, only 2 subjects. So only 2 subjects means those who wait. Only 2. That's mean only biology and chemistry. This one. And then only biology and physics. This one. And then only chemistry and physics. So this is 0. This is 0. This is 20. So that one only 2 subjects will also be 20. Everything, guys. So we say 2 subjects only. If it has said 2 subjects, then we can add this one to everything, guys. So since it says 2 subjects only, that will be 20 plus 0 plus that, guys. Okay. So 2 subjects. So I is only 2 subjects. Equal to 20 plus 0 plus 0, which is what? 20 words only 2 subjects, guys. Okay. So let's go to the next one and say what? Only 1 subject. Interesting, guys. Only 1 subject. Everything. Only 1 subject. So I say only 1 subject. Everything. So only 1 subject means only chemistry and only biology and only physics. Everything, guys. That's what it means. Only 1 subject means. Everything is only 1 subject. Physics only, which is 40 plus chemistry only 20 plus biology only 10. So 40 plus 20 plus 10, guys. 40 plus what? 20 plus 10. So we have this is what? 40 plus 20 plus 10. Only 1 subject. Everything. So what do we get? We get 70. Everything. We get 70, guys. Yeah. And then the next question it says what? Physics, chemistry, physics, chemistry, simple. IV is what? Physics. V is chemistry. IV physics. V is chemistry. So 4. What? Physics. Physics is what? N of P. Physics is N of P, guys. Physics is what? N of P. Everything. So N of P is 70. So physics N of P. N of P, which is what? 70. And then he said the next one is what? Chemistry. Chemistry. So and this is V. So chemistry is what? N of C. N of C, which is what did we guys? N of C is 30. So everything. This one is what? 30. And then the last one, it says what chemistry and physics only. Chemistry and physics only. Simple, guys. Chemistry and physics only. Simple. So chemistry and physics only. What is it? Chemistry and physics only. Which is physics. Chemistry and physics only. This one. So zero. Chemistry and physics only. So no student offers chemistry and what? No student offers chemistry and physics only. So chemistry. So then I is what? Chemistry and what? And physics. Physics only. Chemistry and physics only means chemistry and physics, but not biology. The same as what? Chemistry. This is the same as chemistry and physics, but not means, but not biology. Note this, but not biology. Biology. Chemistry and physics only means chemistry and physics, but not biology. Yeah, that's what it means. Those terms. Chemistry and physics, but not biology, is the same as chemistry and physics only. So we'll give you this is what zero. So guys, you see, this is very understandable. You have finished solving the question. So I hope the student who got this question, hope you really enjoy. And if you don't understand anything, you will let me know. As I have explained, the most important thing is you get understanding. So memorize, don't memorize. So if you know that you are getting understanding, what you can do is to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. In fact, we are uploading more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you. Subscribe and share it with your colleagues. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that if additional videos are uploaded, you will not notified. Thank you.